Welcome to visit the most representative simulated operation room area in the medical clean engineering products. At Eter Medical, we provide the complete engineering solutions for the hospital. For design and the construction to the after-sales services, we deliver the true one-stop solution. Our projects cover the specialized medical and the surgical department as operational room, wards, laboratories, supply centers, and the protective areas. We take care of everything: interior decoration, HVAC, ventilation, and the air conditioning system, electricity, water supply, and the drainage, and the medical gas pipeline, creating the safe, modern, and the efficient medical environment for the better health care. This is the model operating room, is a digital operating room that can truly realize the multiple functions such as intra-operative collaboration, information sharing, the video consultation, surgical process review, equipment control. It is the clean and intelligent operating room that can truly reduce the flow of the people and thus truly lower the infection rate.